if we are given a column with description and date, and the date is always the last 9 characters, we can use a formula to extract that date. We simply use write function, from the right and close parenthesis. Now we select this and then we select the 9 and then close the parenthesis. Now what happens with the text function right? When I enter it aligned to the left, which means it's text. But in Excel, anytime you have text that represents a date, all you have to do is a math operation on it to convert it to back to a date. So I will press F2 and I'm doing the math operation, plus 0. Doesn't it change the value, but when I control enter, there's my serial number date. Now I just need to control 1 add some date number. Formatting this, dragging upon this, you can see the in date. So I will give the bonus tip. So inserting 0, we can select here same, right, come here, select this data and 9, okay, and in front just tap enter dash dash, and you can see the same answer will be come here. I'll drag it here, you can see the same date is same. Another bonus tip I will show you one. So again do the same, this one, and then 9, and then just go here and there is one function date value, just do date value, enter, just by clicking here you can get the same answer as given. So you can apply any of the bonus tip, either you can add plus 0 or dash dash or date value, that's your choice. So I hope this video helps you a lot. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you.